What is up, guys? So, I've just woken up and it's 12:15 in the afternoon. But what I decided to do today is, you guys see me posting all these photos, you know, doing all this fancy stuff. But what I really want to show you is what like a day in the life is like for me. Alright, so I'm going to take you through my whole day and you can just see what freedom is kind of like. So, like I say, I'm going to finish off, do a little bit of work over here, and then we're going to crack on and enjoy the day. So, let's get to it. Okay, so we made it to the national park, but someone just found out it's like a, how long? 30-minute trek. You're gonna be okay.
Might.
You're gonna be okay. So, yeah, but it's a big ass waterfall, so should be fun. Pretty funky. You wanna live here, babe?
No. No,
Just what I was hoping I'd find out here. Not bad at all. You know, I still mind it back when I was in the Navy. I used to walk up the Brecon Beacons, Dartmoor, everything, without near enough breaking a sweat and carrying like 20-25 pounds of gear. And now we're walking up this tiny little thing. And I'm shattered, man. Yeah, and he's laughing at us. Keep fit, that's all I can say. Keep fit. Don't get lazy. That's the problem with doing affiliate marketing. You seem to get into lazy mode, sitting on your arse, just working on your laptop. Let's see if we can still do it. Come on, darling, let's go. You can do it. Yeah, scrap that. Not happening. Finally. Made it. That's the one that was laughing at us. It's cold from here, guys. Want to go in then? Whoa! Fuck, that's cold! Gonna come in. Well, hopefully you can hear me, but that was epic. That was a lot of fun. She surprised me with something. Wow, that's good. I have no idea what the plan is now, but yeah, we'll figure something out. Alright, so we're back. We're not really sure what we're going to do. What do you want to do? Don't know. No idea. So we'll maybe come up with something. We'll maybe run this into like a 2-day, like day in the life kind of thing. Because like I say, we did get a bit of a late start today. Because we woke up at like what? 12? What did they wake up? 12 o'clock? Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, we'll maybe turn this into like a 2-day freedom lifestyle, day in a life thing. We're just going out to find something. So we're going shopping in the room. I'm joking. Very loose. Right. Loose. Loose. Really? You're doing well, babe. Alright, cinema time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to roll tomorrow's adventures into this video as well, as we haven't done too much today, and I know you guys probably ain't too interested in seeing what's happening in the cinema, so we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. What's up, guys? So game plan for this morning was to do a zip line together, but this is the thing right here, right? Now I've already checked, but there's a weight limit, and unfortunately, well, you want to tell everybody why I can't do it?
You have 99.
No, basically I'm too fat. That's the problem. The weight limit's 95 kilos and I'm 99, so she's gonna do it. Are you gonna do it? You promise? Yeah.
The key with you, right?
Yeah, I've got it. Well, she killed it. As per bloody usual. So annoyed that I couldn't do it, man, but it's a bit of a motivation to lose even more weight, huh? Welcome to our humble abode.
Then same India.
So, what's the plan, my love? See, this is how most days go. We have no idea what we're going to do, and then we just kind of find something to do. That's just the way it goes. Okay, boss. What's next? Don't know. That's like a typical saying for us, isn't it? I don't know what we're doing. So yeah, well basically what the plan is now is to go and pay for an extra 3 days for the bike, as we're staying in Chiang Rai a few more days, as we haven't done everything yet. So yeah, we're going to rent the bike for a few more days, and then we'll see you guys at the next spot, I suppose. Back at the Blue Temple. This beast. Nice surprise there, babe. That looks insane. Thank you.
It's okay.
Ooh, don't you look good, babe? You're going to be our little tour guide, are we? Babe, happy? Yeah. So that's it. Now we are just going to chill and relax without the camera. So that's been a little kind of experience of a day in the life of what life is like for me. So yeah, hope you guys got inspired, hope you enjoyed it. Anything you want to say?
Bye.
Bye. Right, see you guys soon. Peace.